Morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. At first, enroll the list of all apps, go to Settings, then find and select Accounts and Backup here, and now select Backup Data under Google Drive. And now once you want to activate Backup with Google One, click on Turn On. And that's it. As you can see, your account has been already connected with the backup, and your device backs up data automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. However, if you want to do it right now, in this particular moment, just tap on Backup Now. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.